How to get your Snapchat score up. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-step. If you're trying to increase your Snapchat score, the only way that you can do it is through sending many snaps as possible. So you can send snaps to all of your friends on Snapchat, and if you only have a less amount of friends, what you can do is just tap on the search bar and search for any names, or you'll also have in suggestions like this, and you can just add them on your friend list. And if they also add you back, you will become friends and you can also start sending them snaps. So the goal is to add as many friends as you can and to start sending them snaps. Now the other thing that you can also do is you can just open up a web browser first and then just search for Snapchat users for streak. After you do that, it's going to give you tons of results where people have added their usernames so that you could add them as your friends. You can just open up any website and here you'd be able to see their usernames. You can just tap and search them on the Snapchat and you can add them as friends. Once they add you back, you'll be able to send them snaps and also maintain a snap score and a snap streak. So that's the way that you increase or get your snap score up. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.